Kadamawi, Ababa Janai, Ababa Janai. Yes, we're gonna get into this Dennis Brown special right here. Yeah, released in 1987, produced by Willie Lindo. A tune that I'm telling you, one of my favorites, D Brown, Ababa Janai, right? Yes, our father. Seeing, in comes DB with a classic, Ababa Janai, Kadamawi. In comes
Kadamawi, Ababa Janai. Oh well, oh Lord.
Ababa Janai, he is your father. Ababa Janai,
Known as Rastafari,
Ababa Janai,
he is a father. Ababa Janai, known as Rastafari, who made the sun to shine by day, and who made the moon to shine by night, who made you live from day to day, who made the kids breakfast and play. Ababa Janai, he is a father. Ababa Janai, known as Rastafari. Ababa Janai, he is a father. Ababa Janai, known as Rastafari. Over there in the Ethiopia, everyone there is so aware of the orator and the creator. Yes, well, he is God and he is King. Well, Ababa Janai, he is a father. Ababa Janai, known as Rastafari. Well, Ababa Janai, he is a father. Ababa Janai, known as Rastafari. Well, ooh, baby, sun to shine by day, and you made the moon to shine by night. He's the orator and the creator, yes, well, he is God and he is King. Well, Ababa Janai, he is a father. Ababa Janai, known as Rastafari. Well, Ababa Janai, he is a father. Ababa Janai, known as Rastafari. Well, Ababa Janai, he is a father. Ababa Janai, known as Rastafari.
what a tune. What a tune. Ababa Janai, Kadamawi, Ethiopian language. Saying, yes, Ababa Janai. I'm telling you, 1987, produced by Willie Lindo. Yeah, and I'm telling you, this is one of one of my favorite D Brown has many tunes that's my favorite. So, I'm just picking the pick of the litter, so to speak. And but yeah, that was Ababa Janai. Yeah, and this is a tune where Dennis Brown is claiming his giving his praise unto his God and his King, Haile Selassie, as Ababa Janai. That's what it means, is to, basically saying that Ababa Janai is our father, So yes, so that's a tune DB is just giving his eyes, So Massive, massive, massive tune. And that again shows you that, I like the fact that when artists incorporate different language into the music, because it's another way to help the listeners and audience broaden their, knowledge of language or whatever it is, the topic. I just love when artists goes a little deeper than just doing the norm sometimes. And, this will make you go and say, okay, what is Ababa Janai? What is Kadamawi? But like I said, that's Ethiopian Amharic, right? That's the Amharic language. And yes, so which the Rastaman always tries to impose that we should learn the Amharic or just the African language, because as they would say, the English is not our own, but we use it and utilize it to get across our message nonetheless. Scene. So that was Dennis Brown with Baba Janai, and we're going to keep the ball rolling to prevent you from scrolling. Yes, 1987 release. Scene. Yes. And it's also from the Inseparable album. Yes, it's also on the Inseparable album. And we're going to play another track from the Inseparable album. And we're going to keep it locked. See? So keep it locked to Solid Rock as we continue to, show our respect to the legends of our music and our culture. And as long as I live, I will always represent and push the foundation. See? Okay, that's what we do over here on this radio station. All right, we're going to keep it moving. Ababa Janai. See? Yeah.